Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. I'm going to go ahead and do it Dollar Tree style because I wanted to show you that you could do this on any budget. So first of all, one set of these stickers is only $1. It comes with 40 stickers. You'll be able to get many uses out of these, but I think these will be really pretty. I also have some washi tape. They also sell at the Dollar Tree. And so I thought this blue would go really well with the blues that they have already on here. And then of course the planner sheets. I have these on my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. I'll also put that link down below so you can find them free. They are free to you. I'm not making you pay for them. And guess what? You can cut them down to whatever size you want to fit your planner, or you can leave it as is, get a 3-hole punch, and just make your own planner with a Dollar Tree 3-ring binder. Super easy, super inexpensive, and let's get started so we could get this going because I know that this is going to be wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and start out like I always do and just put my washi where I think I'd like to have it, which of course is always on the front. And then the way that I put my 3-hole, oh, that's not usually the way I do it, but it happens. I'm going to go ahead and grab some scissors on this one. Let me get this side first. But I like to have my pages facing each other. So when I do hole punch them, I have them like this. And so I'll put them together and hole punch them. That way when I open, they'll be like this. And you could double print. You can print on each side if you want to just keep going. Okay. There we go. And I'm not doing a lot on this today as far as washi tape. I'm not going to really washi it up so much. But as you can see, I had lines here, had lines there. I can make new lines with my washi however I'd like and wherever I'd like. I'm also going to cover up my little banner down here at the bottom because I know exactly who I am and where I can find my stuff. But if you need weekly reminders, they're down at the bottom for you. And I love this color. It's like a Tiffany blue, which if you know me, you know I love Tiffany and anything Tiffany blue. So there we go. I think we're about done. You could put it up the sides here if you wanted to reinforce the hole punch. And then let's go ahead and get started with this. I love these little hearts, so I want to go ahead and make sure that I put some hearts on here. And I'm going to have it coming right out the bottom here. Let's see, there we go. And I'm looking over here as well to see what I'd like to have on here. And I like this little green star, and I'm going to cover that little boo-boo up there because you can do whatever you'd like, however you'd like. And I'm going to have on here, I'm going to have the noted. And I'm just going to cover up where it says notes. And you can cover up however you'd like. These have a little tab there. So the way that I'm going to have these, I know that I can put a tab. We're just going to fold these right over. And then I can put my little tab like right here. And so I'll be able to open that right where I want it. You can always use the other tabs on other sheets. You can stick with just the color. If we wanted to stick with just that blue, it would look really cute. And then I'm going to take this guy here, and I'm going to do the same. But then I'm going to take the green heart and go kind of right over it. Just like that. So we've got that. I'll put my dates right in here. And I'm just looking to see if there's anything. And I think I really like this label here that says life is good. And I'm going to stick that right here. And I am done with the first page. It is that easy. And then we'll go ahead and start working on this second page here. Now, on this one, I think what I'd like to do is kind of cover up the to-do here. There we go. And then I'm going to put this heart in here to keep with that heart theme, because it's going to look really cute opposite each other. And the first one said life is good, and then this one says enjoy your life, and I'm going to put that right down here. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. Just like that. And then I'm going to add some of these cute little flowers here. And you do whatever you would like for yours. So but you see how cute? You don't have to have a lot to do all of your planning here. So I have the to-do here, but this little guy, where did it go? Here it is. I'm going to put that, well, I think I'm going to cut it down. So don't be afraid to do what you want to do. Make it yours. So that was a little too big for me. So I'm going to move this right here. And then I actually like these. I'm going to keep them. I'm going to go right down here to bring in some color, and the same on this side to bring in some color down there. All right, so there you go. It's very quick, very easy, and it only cost me $1 for the stickers. I have so many more that I could do. I did not use a lot at all. And then I've got everything I need. So this is how it'll look. I'll take some pictures. I'll put them on my Instagram. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to get your own planner printables from me, again, I'll put the link down below in the description, and you can find it at beautyandthestamper.com. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Today